Today I made this online class. Fishes. 2 fish.
Oh, nice. Fish and fish pot. Very nice.
Yes.
With old paper you did? Wow, nice.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, so
Here is 2.
there is two. Okay, good, good.
Here 3.
Okay, nice.
Look at her, she's wearing an apron. Yeah, apron. And she loves to eat apples.
Yes. Dining room and the living room or drawing room.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, we will be keeping, we will need origami sheet,
Okay, origami sheet.
square origami sheet.
Okay, I have a small one. A little
No problem, no problem. I also have a small one, but I have used this. See,
Okay. Origami, 1 second.
sheet we need. Then we need one paper or your drawing book where we can stick the fishes and draw. So we need, for drawing, we need green color sketch pen, blue color sketch pen, and black color sketch pen.
Okay.
You have everything along with you? Great.
I'm just reading everything.
Yeah, keep the sketch pens ready. Keep the drawing book and the origami sheet ready so that you don't have to go around. Okay, great. Vihan, good evening. Good evening, Vihan. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay. So you have everything, Vihan, along with you? Yes? Sketch pen, drawing book, origami papers. Hello, good evening, Shivam.
Yes, ma'am. I have new origami paper.
Okay, very nice. Now I want you all to mute.
Mute.
Mute? Yes. Wow,
I'm
very
muting
smart.
you.
Okay, done. Very nice. Good evening, Shweta. Good evening, Shweta. Can you please mute Shweta?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning and good evening. Hello, Ishika.
Ma'am.
Good evening, Ishika. Yes, who is calling me? Ma'am, yes, Ayansh.
I don't have origami.
You can do in a plain sheet of paper.
समझ में नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, Shweta and Okay, Azim has also come. Great. Good evening, Azim. Ishika, can you please mute?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Shweta, your video is not coming. Shweta, your video is not coming.
Do we need light green or dark green?
That I'll discuss later. Okay, Ariana and Kaina, please come in. Oh, that's great. Okay, so Azim, I can't see your face, beta. Please put the yes screen little bit down. Camera, yeah, yes. Well done. Okay, now good evening, everyone. Can you all say good evening to me?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay.
Good evening.
Okay,
Good
fine.
evening, ma'am.
I can hear it after saying.
Ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good
Okay,
evening.
fine. Now mute. Now mute.
Good evening.
Good evening. Can you all mute now? If I say 1, 2, 3,
Good
you have to mute. 2, 3, mute. Mute. Dhanika, you have to mute. I can hear you. Mute it better, please, Dhanika. Great. Okay. Now, today's story, shall I start?
Yes, please.
Yes? Are you all keen to listen to my story? If yes, then I want a thumbs up. Because you can't speak, thumbs up. You need to lock your mouth and throw the key out. Can you lock your mouth? Lock it nicely. Take the key and throw it. Yes? Great. Now, kids, what is today's story? Now, I can't see everybody sitting properly. Only if you all sit properly, I can start the story. For that, I think I should. Kian, your video is off. Please switch on the video. Perfect posture, perfect posture. Mind your back, mind your back. Grow up to be handsome, grow up to be pretty. Do not slouch, do not slouch. And everybody, perfect posture. Dhanika is not doing perfect posture, I can see. Perfect posture, everyone. Ayansh, perfect posture. Okay, Ayansh, you are not supposed to switch off your video. Switch on your video and sit perfectly. Your spinal cord should be straight. Your spinal cord should be straight. So, kids, today's story is about the 3 fish. Is about, Ishika, listen to me. Today's story, Ariana and Kaina, please listen. Okay, Dhriti is joining. Dhriti and Pranika. Fine, great. Okay, good evening, Dhriti and Pranika. Can you all please mute? Okay, fine. Now today's story is about the 3 fish. Once upon a time, in a pond, there lived 3 fish. Once upon a time, in a pond, there lived 3 fish. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now, they were very close friends and were living together for years in the same pond. One day, they saw a fisherman was passing by. Now, they were all wondering, oh my God, why the fisherman has come over here? The fisherman was passing by and the fisherman saw beautiful fishes in the pond. He could see beautiful fishes in the pond. And this fisherman told his friend, we should come back tomorrow morning to fish from here because we have lots of fishes in this pond. We should come back tomorrow morning. Then what happened among these three fishes? You have seen the three fishes, yes? Among these three fishes, one fish was very clever and very wise. One fish has heard the conversation and immediately rushed to the other two to explain what happened. And then the wisest fish told that we should go away from this place. Tomorrow early morning, the fisherman is coming to fish. We should run away from this place. Then the second one agreed. The second fish told, oh, is it? We have to run, we have to run, we have to run. And then the two fishes agreed, but the tiny fish, this third fish, said, no, I don't want to go. Why will I leave my home?
Start भी कर दिया जब तक
Over here.
ए fish
वे stocks discontinue
Ma'am, can you all please mute?
discontinue करते हैं
Thank you. I don't want to. I don't want to go with you all. I want to stay in this pond. I love the fishes. I love my friends over here. All my other fishes are my friend. I can't leave them and go. I want to stay in this pond. And then these two fishes rushed away from this place because they know कि other fish was not agreeing. So it's better to leave the fish, the third fish, and to go away. As soon as they went away to the other place, the next day, early morning, the fisherman came back. As they put the net, they caught so many fishes, and this fisherman was telling, yay, we have got so many fishes, we can sell off and we can have lots of money, yay. And then second time when they put the net, the third fish was caught. The third fish was crying and telling, oh, why I haven't left with my friends. What a big mistake I have done. Why I haven't went with my friends. And started crying. He struggled a lot to open the net, but he was not able to open the net and he was going on crying, help me, help me, help me. But no one was there to help, isn't it? So from this story, what did we learn? We learned that it is very important to act wisely when we foresee a problem. When we see a problem ahead coming to us, we should all prepare ourselves and we should take measures to going out with our family. So what we see, we see the weather, right? We see whether it rains or not. Yes, but if it is sunny or if it is raining, what do? We take our umbrella and our raincoat along with us, isn't it? If it's rainy, isn't it? So we should, if we see a problem ahead, we should think wisely and prepare ourselves to face the problem. Like the third fish, we should not struggle in the water. We should not struggle in our life. Okay. Is that clear? When there is a problem, when you can see a problem, please think and then move ahead. Clear, everyone? Yes. Now, we have two activities. One is this fish making origami. Other one is pasting this fish in a paper and drawing weeds and water. But before that, can we play up? But Dhanika is still sleepy. Can I cry now? Danika is not smiling at all. What happened, Ishika? You don't want to play the game. Your thumbs is down. What will happen now? It is not going up at all. Will it go up? Will it go up? Okay, Kiyansh is showing a big thumbs up. Ishika, will it go up? Show me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I won't play the game. Everybody is putting their thumbs up except Ishika. I won't play the game. Ishika, thumbs up. What is 1? I want the thumbs to be up. Okay, great. Now you all know Simon Says, right? Yes? So, Trishan, where are you? Come in front of the camera. Great. Simon says, touch your hair. I can't see Azim. Simon says, touch your hair fast. Simon says, touch the floor. What happened? Ayansh is not playing. Simon says, touch your nose. Touch your ear. Touch your ear. Who is touching the ear? You should not touch the ear. You should not touch the ear. Shivam, are you playing today? Simon says, touch your dress. Dhanika, you are playing? Okay. Simon says, touch your cheeks. Clap your hands. Who is clapping? I can see someone clapping. Oh. Okay, fine. Now we will not play this game, but we will be doing an origami. Origami of a fish. We had 3 little fish in our story, right? So related to that, we are going to do one origami fish. Yes? Now for this, what you need is the paper. Is this triangle paper, a square paper. You all have a square paper, right? Okay, fine, great. Okay, great. Show me the paper. If it's big, then you need to fold it into square. Like I showed you last, I think some day back, I have shown it to you. If the paper is this size, everybody please see. If the paper is this size, please fold the paper. Yes. And cut the bottom.
Can you just stop? I didn't came there.
You have a small paper or a big paper. Show me your paper first, Azim. Okay. You have to use the orange color paper over here. Okay. This is for
Yes.
them who has big paper. Okay, Azim, you don't do this step. Those who have big paper, please fold your paper. Please fold your paper like this. Yes, you can use that. Don't do this step there now.
This one.
Fold the paper backside and cut off this extra page, this paper. Cut off this side.
Paper serious.
Those who have square paper is completely fine. Those who have square paper, you all can do with this itself. Okay?
Do it, ma'am. Do I have to do it?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you show again?
Just show me the size of the paper, Shivam. Just cut off this. Where is my paper gone? Just cut off this side. This extra sheet, please cut. Yes, tear it.
जिसके पास नहीं है चिल्ला रहा क्यों है तू?
This one, tear it.
Oh.
Shivam, please tear that side.
बड़ा पेपर है वो करना।
Someone is speaking in the background. Can you please mute? Okay, thank you. Okay, Shivam. Yes, that side of the paper you need to cut. Shivam, I can't see again. Azim, where are you? Fine. Now you have this paper, right? You have all square paper. Shivam, did you get the square size paper?
Yeah.
To do the fish and press it with your hand nicely, tightly. Okay. Now again, see, this is my paper which I folded. Again, I am folding it into second half. Join these two edges nicely and
Like
okay.
this.
Yes. Now open the paper. Open the paper. You have all these folds?
Technical problem is again coming.
Oh, it's okay. Yes, again fold it. Azim, again fold like this. Second half, like this, again like this.
I've done it.
Yeah, now press it nicely with your fingers.
Okay.
Now open the paper. Yes, did you all open the paper?
Yes.
Great. Now fold it into half. Fold it into half. You have to see whether it's joining the edges. Okay. Okay, you all can mute yourself. Done?
Yes.
Did you all do it half? Yeah, keep it half. Keep it half. Okay, fine. So you have 3 folds. One like this, one like this, and one like this. Azim, please mute and listen to me.
I've done it.
You have all the 3 folds. Great. Now open the paper.
Okay, I'll open it.
So you all have 1 fold, 2 fold, and 3 fold, right? Yes? Okay. Now again fold the paper. Same fold. And keep the paper like this.
Okay.
Are you holding the paper like this? Hold it paper. No, no, no. See, I'm holding the paper like this. Yes. Now see, I am pressing this down. I'm putting it inside.
But
Pressing it down कैसा आता नहीं मालूम मुझे कैसे.
ask.
Ma'am, I can't press it down.
Why you can't press it down? See, this is the thing. You are holding the paper like this, right?
Yes.
Then when you are pressing it down, it is going inside and this fold is coming.
But pressing it down could make it like this. It make it flap like that. Again it starts. So we have to do it like this. Miss, how do we? I'm holding from here.
Yeah. Now this position, can you see? This position, I am putting it vertically down, closing the flap.
But it can't close
No,
its flap
see.
because it's already been spoiled.
Listen,
I know
listen. If
that
you don't listen, someone is
spoiled.
speaking.
Difficult techniques are always
Azim, can
hard.
you please mute?
Okay.
Thank you. You are holding the paper. See this. Dhanika, please pay attention over here. Dhanika, see this No, no, not like that. You are holding the paper like this. Vertically hold the paper.
Vertically. Okay.
This position should be at the end.
Okay. Okay, I'm holding vertically like this.
Okay, now.
I'm
put
holding it
this-
like this.
Okay, just put it inside.
Put it inside. Not understood.
Kids, see, look at me.
Like this. Like this.
Yes, yes, put it inside. Put this. This fold should go inside. See,
Okay. It should go like this.
I can't see your hand.
Like this. Here.
I can't see properly.
It should go like this.
No, you are folding it like this. Am I folding it like this? No, am I not folding it like this? Yes, Dhriti, correct. I am holding this part of the paper and pushing it down. See,
Pushing it down. Okay. So this.
show me Dhanika, Ishika. Okay, great. Very
Like this?
nice.
Like this, ma'am.
No, baby. Mishika, you see, I am holding the paper and I am putting this position inside. I hope you can see me, right?
Yes. Acha, this side should go.
See, I am not folding the paper this side or this side. Am I folding it? No. I am holding the paper like this, and this position I am pulling it down.
Okay.
You are holding the paper wrong, Mishika. Hold the paper like this.
Okay.
Now put this part, close it down, hold it inside.
Oh, 1 second.
Try it. And then again, kids, other kids, please put 1, 2, eyes on you. So you have to see me. Other side also, I am holding the paper, putting it down and keep it inside.
Not.
Ma'am, like this?
Who is telling this? Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Do it. Both the side. It should be coming like a triangle. Mishika, Ariana, where are you? Show me. Oh, great. Trishan, show me. Where are you?
I'm not able to do it.
Everybody could do it. Now you have to listen to me. Mishika, see, my paper is like this. Fold the paper.
I'm holding from up like this.
This is down. This is up. This is down. Now this flap you have, pull it down completely inside. Very good, Dhanika.
Like this.
Yes.
And what do I do?
Put it inside. Dhanika, put it inside. Yes, yes. Push it inside. Sharp the corners and push it inside.
Like this.
Yes. And take out the flap. See? Join together.
Doing it. Okay. Yes, I did it.
Thank you. Other side also the same way.
Push it down. How did I do it here?
See, this is open.
Yes.
Right? You are pushing this one down and closing the flap.
Ma'am, I could not hear you for a second.
Now you can hear me?
Yes.
Okay, this is the paper. Yes, I am pushing it down and closing the flap. You hold the paper like this. Everyone hold the paper like this.
Like I'm holding
Now
like this.
Push it down.
Like this. So I push it down.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, got it. I'm about to get it.
Thank you.
Like this?
Yes. My God. Everyone has got this. Show me. Ayansh, I haven't seen yours. Very good, Ishika. Riti has done it. I can see Samantha has done it. Dhanika, have you done it? Dhanika is playing with that only. Okay, great. Okay, everyone has done it. Ariana?
Like this, miss?
Yes, like that. Ariana? Okay, very good. Now see what I am doing. This portion. Yes, this half is there. You need to fold this portion and the other half also into the same portion. Can you see this?
Please, like this, miss?
See.
Like, oh, like this, miss? Look.
Dekho.
Like
Nahi,
this?
see. Can you see me?
Oh, yes, it becomes a fish.
One part, I am making it into half.
Hmm.
The other part also into half. Like this.
Like this, miss?
Yes. Now, again open the part. This fold is there. The other side
How to
fold
do
is
that
there.
tricky part?
Miss, do I have to do both the sides?
Yes.
That means it be like this. It could be the same image, but not the same.
I made it. Look, ma'am.
Yes, that is fine. Now, this line you can see.
Ma'am, I have also made it.
Very good. What is this? You have made it?
I did it like that. This
Ma'am,
part.
this is the fish now.
No. See. Now, this position you can see this mark. This other side should go to that mark. Dhanika, please see over here now.
Can you show again, ma'am?
Yes, I am showing you again. This flap should be like this, and this flap should overlap the lower part so that it becomes a crisscross. Ariana, can you do it? Trishan, can you do it?
Is it now ready, ma'am? Look,
Yeah, yes.
now it's a fish.
Yeah,
Can I now put the eyes of the fish?
yes. Ishika, could you do it?
Yes, I could do it. Look.
Okay, great. Now please mute yourself. Let me go back to others. Ishika, could you do it?
Miss, can I make the eyes?
Like this, ma'am.
Yes, you can make the eyes.
I'm making the eyes.
Like this.
Show me.
Like this.
Yes.
I made.
Ishika, please mute. Ayan, show me.
Ma'am, I can't listen.
Ayan, please see. Yes, ma'am.
This is so difficult. Miss, can you show
If
me
you all
the fish?
speak together, I can hear.
I can't do it from here.
Fish done. Is the fish done?
Show me.
Miss, can you show the fish's eyes again?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is the fish
Yeah,
done?
it's fine. Yes,
How to make?
Now may
Ma'am,
I
is
see?
the fish
Yes,
done?
very nice. Very nice, Kiansh. Azim, I'll come back to you. Please wait for your turn. Vihan?
I can't listen.
Okay, Vihan, I'll come back to you. Just a moment. Dhanika, did you done it? Have you done it? Can you please mute, Vihan? Vihan, please mute. The class is getting noisy. Thank you. Kids, see. This part you have done is this much, right? If you all can't see, and, do it, listen to my steps. This much you all have done, right? Shivam, did you do this much? Shivam, your video is getting paused. Trishan, what are you doing?
Ma'am, is this the
Very
way?
good, Ariana. It's very nice.
Ma'am, is this the way?
It is the way you wait for my turn to speak. You listen to me first. You sit down in your place and you listen to me first. Okay. See what I do. Ayan and Meenakshi, your video is paused. I'm sorry. Okay, this part, I am folding it this side. See, I'm folding it this side. And this flap, I am overlapping the lower part. Can you see there's a zigzag? Yes. Very good, Kiyash. Draw the eyes. Draw the eyes. Dhanika, can you understand? I want you to do. I don't. Very nice. Now draw the eyes. See, draw the eyes. Once you draw the finish drawing the eyes, I want 2 more fishes like this. Once you finish drawing the eyes, I want 2 more fishes like this.
Don't have color eyes.
Please mute yourself.
Miss,
Nishan, can you
I
please
don't
mute?
have color
Nishan, please
paper.
mute.
I don't have color paper.
Okay, fine.
I
If you
don't
don't have
have
color
color
paper,
paper.
it's completely fine. We will paint it.
Ma'am, show
Don't
me
please mute
eyes.
it now. Yes, Dhanika.
Show me eyes.
Eyes? You can't draw eyes.
Ma'am, I've done it.
Okay, fine. Like this, you do 2 more fishes, Azim.
I
2
don't
more fishes you do.
again
Shivam, show me your work.
confused. I'm again getting confused.
See, I'm opening the paper. Look at me.
Hmm.
I am putting this position down.
I'm
This part down.
trying to fold it, but it's not coming good.
It will come. You have done it. It will come. Keep trying. It will come. Azim, you again went. Very good. Huh? Yes. That position will go down. Do 1 more fish. 1 more fish. Yes, Azim. Do 1 more fish.
Yeah.
Shivam, see, I am doing it from the beginning. I am folding the paper into half. Again, fold the paper into another half. Shivam, could you do it?
Next, miss, what do we do?
Draw the eyes.
No, I am talking. Oh, yes, I got the step.
Fine, great. Do it, do it. Yeah. Done? Now, the other way round you have to fold. You have folded like this also you have to fold. 1 fold like this, 2nd fold like this. Your video is getting paused.
I made a different kind of fish.
Okay, no problem. Azim, can you see? Yes, now open it. And fold the paper like this.
Look, this is my second fish, ma'am.
Okay, make a 3rd fish.
I'm not using different colors.
Meenakshi, Shivam, could you do it? Yeah. Now see, Azim and Shivam, please, eyes on me. this part, I am holding it like this. Then I am doing it like this and folding it down. And making the corners. See, yes, very good. Ishika,
Yes.
very nice. Just make some kind of design on the white sheet of paper.
I am using a pink, purple, and orange kind of.
Okay, you can.
I'll make some designs.
Azim, you are going away again. See, I am putting it inside. Just put this down, flap down. Shivam, just put the flap down, enter it, and take out this two part. Yes. Similarly, the other way round. Azim, see, again you went. Yes. Now, one part fold like this. See, one part fold like this and the other part cross on top of the other. And the fish is ready. Yes. Okay. Very nicely done. One more fish to go. One more fish to go. Kiansh, what happened? Today you are not doing alone. You are taking a mama's help. You can paint the fish, or if you want to keep the fish like that, it's okay. You can draw scales also if you want to. I will draw. This is my fish. Let me take the black color. I am drawing the eyes. Yes. I am drawing the eyes and the mouth. And I want to make it girl fish.
Type of fish.
So I have made eyelashes also. Okay. Now, if you want with some other color sketch pen, you can make scales on the fish.
Look, miss, I made 3 fishes.
Very nice. Draw the eyes.
I've
This is
drawn
optional,
one.
okay? If you want, you can do this. If you don't want, you don't have to do it. Okay?
Can we do it of any color
Yeah, any color.
except the same color? First. Yeah.
See, I have drawn my fish like this.
Ma'am, after this, what do we do?
Okay, where are you stuck, beta? Show me. Okay, now see, this position it is, right? Now take one flap and fold it. Azim, are you doing it? Very good. So one flap folded like this, other flap folded like this. It will become crisscross. Overlapping the lower flap, just put the upper flap like this.
Ma'am, I did from the start.
Okay, please do it. This is fine. Ready? Put this inside. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Great. Now you can draw eyes, and if you want, you can color it. Any shape, any shapes, and if you want, you can draw the scales also. Azim, again, where you went, Azim? I want to cry. Trishan, I can't see you. What are you doing? Dhanika, show me.
Look at my fish now, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Do it, complete it and show it to me.
One fish completed.
Yeah.
Now the next fish.
Yes. Oh, Kian. Shh, I can see. Whoa, I got scared. Fine. Now, once you, oh, Dhriti, excellent that is. Lovely. Ishika also done. I want to see Trishan. Okay, that's nice. Ariana, and this is the paper, right? Now, stick 3 fishes. Stick the 3 fishes. 1, 2, 3. Stick the 3 fishes. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can you wait for me?
Yeah, sure. I will wait. Yes, very nice. Vihan.
white paper.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Nice. It is nice, Shiva.
To use white paper.
इधर देख के बोलोगे मैम.
Ma'am, we want to use white paper. Second fish completed.
You have to use white paper.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Meenakshi. Vihan, please mute. Thank you. Azim, show me your work. Kiansh, where have you vanished? Ishika also vanished. Oh,
I'm here.
oh, Samantha is showing the fish. Very nicely done, Azim. Now you need to paste in a piece of paper, paste 3 fishes together. Ariana and Kenna has come. Now you need to paste the 3 fishes together. Very nice. Ishika is lovely. Trishan, sit down in a place. Excellent, Dhanika. Lovely fish design. Yes, Vihan. Now stick the 3 fishes together. 1, 2, 3. Kian, you need to take a drawing book or a piece of paper where you can stick 1, 2, 3 fish, or if you have done 2 fish, you can stick 2 fishes. Someone is speaking. Ishika, mute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishika, mute it. Nice. Now take a piece of paper. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? One little finger on my right. Now everyone, back to work. Stick the 3 fishes in a piece of paper. Shivam and Azim. Yeah, very nice, Ayansh. Very nice. Now stick it on the paper. Wow. Ayansh, why you are taking a mama's help? You can do it, I know. No, mama will not put. You have to put. Put little glue. Little bit. You can put little bit glue over here, this part, and just paste it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mishika, where did you go?
I'm here. I'm just sticking my
Okay.
fishes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Where did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? One little finger on my right.
This little finger on my right. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Okay. Oh, great, Vihan. I can see your work. That's lovely. Now I want you to draw the weeds.
नहीं करता है ये नहीं खाएगा
Oh, Samantha has got a teeny tiny fish. Very good, Vihan. That's lovely. Now I want you to draw the weeds.
ये नहीं खाना है
ठीक है बेटा चुप हो
खाएगा ये
Vihan, can you please mute? Okay. Now see the weeds. Any wiggly weeds you can draw. One is going up and is coming down. Again is going up and coming down.
Do we have to make with this with pencil?
I prefer you to use sketch pen directly.
Okay, I will
Very
use
nice.
Can
Yeah.
I use green sketch pen because green are weeds?
Yes.
Okay, I'll use green sketch pen.
Oh, Ishika, I like the design. Now you fast stick it on the paper. Oh,
Now
this
I
is
have to do
fancy.
there
Right?
because I do not have much of space. So I'll just
Okay.
show you.
Yes, very nice, Ishika. Ariana and Kena, where are you? Stuck? Show me. All the fishes are made? Okay, great. Nice. Very nice, Ishika, Ariana and Kena. Please stick it on a piece of paper. 1, 2, and 3. Once you fix the fishes, then you draw the weeds so that you can understand from where you are going to draw the weeds. I have shown you how to draw the weeds. Dhanika, show me. I think Shivam can do it. Other is doing it. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Miss, I have drawn.
Lovely, Dhanika.
Look,
Yes,
Miss.
very nice. Very
I'll
nice.
just color it. I'll just.
Yeah.
I've made all of the fishes ma'am
Okay, that is lovely, Azim. Wow, you have finished it, but I want little more weeds this side. In between yellow and orange paper. Ayansh, that is nice. Now take a blue color sketch pen or crayon and mark the waters.
the water and ఇట్లా water
See water?
and the sky
No sky, the fish is inside the water.
का फाइन
One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make the weeds thick so that you know it looks like a real weed. See, I have made it fat, no? I did not made it thin. But Ayansh, yours is perfect. I just want you to make water. Okay, Kiyansh is drawing. Riti, where are you stuck? Beta, show me.
ma'am
Thank you, ma'am. Wow, Trisha, it's lovely, Trisha. Yes, I can see Trishan. It's very nice. Very nice. Now you can use it.
And that's me.
Oh, it's lovely. What is this red color?
Those are tadpoles.
Okay. Very nice tadpoles.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Show me. Whoa, this is nice. Very nice. Excellent it is. You haven't drawn weeds? See? Just draw some. Ocha, you have drawn it. Okay, I can't see. Wow, it's lovely. Please send a photo. You have put a googly eye also on the black color fish. I love googly eyes. Dhanika, you can leave, beta.
Look, I made one more fish, ma'am.
Very good. Now the finishing task, how will you do? Okay, Dhanika, you can leave. Driti, you can leave.
I'm gonna make as many fishes now I can.
Driti, you can leave. Oh, what happened to Driti? Happy weekend, Driti. Bye-bye. Bye.
Have to say bye. Say bye.
Then class is over.
Say bye bye, Auntie. You have to say.
Shall I cry now, Driti? Okay. It's okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Newton.
Okay. Mishika, are you done or I have to wait for you? Azim and Dhanika, please switch off your video also. Leave.